I could fall, I could fly here in your aeroplane. I could live, I could die, hanging on the word you say. I've been known to give my all, stay back, looking at every miss that I made. So don't call me baby.
Gusto na lumabas sa camera, bakla.
Unless you're santol. And don't tell me you need me. Yo, may pakagat. If you don't believe it, let me know the truth before I dive right in, Lady M. Before I dive right in to you. Before I dive right in to you.
Riding, right to you. Ganun ba?
May pa-ride ang bakla.
May pa-riding, right to you pa.
Riding in tandem. Oh.
Oo.
Grabe, tapos parang nagra-ride din yung isa habang sumasayaw. Parang meron siyang nira-ride or something. Hala, diba?
May paalog.
Grabe siya.
Uso alugan dito, Tonya.
May pakagat at oo, may pag ganun siya. Akala mo ba naman ang taas-taas ng kuko niya, akala ko kakagatin niya yung kuko niya.
Nakita ko lang yung sing-sing ko.
Oo nga pala. Hoy, sino ba gusto mag-mine? I-mine nyo na, dali.
May pa-flex. May pa-flex ang bakla.
Ay,
Baklan to.
Ayan na si Kapitan.
Ayan na si Kapitan.
Kala ko si Sailor Moon. Ay.